Hello everyone, this is Neha from Max Classes. In our last video, students, we have solved some questions based on distance formula. In this video, I am coming with a new formula, that is section formula. First, we will try to derive the section formula. After that, we will solve some questions based on it. Okay, you can find its derivation on page number 311 in RS Aggarwal book. Okay. Suppose student, this is our coordinate plane. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. This is negative axis, this is negative y-axis. Okay. We have taken 2 points A and B. Okay. The line joining the point A and B is divided by point P in the ratio m is to n. That means students, what is given? The given is AP upon PB is equals to m upon n. That means the point P is dividing the line joining the point A and B in the ratio m is to n. Okay. Suppose the coordinate of point A is x1 comma y1. x1 comma y1. Okay. And the point P's coordinate is x comma y. And the coordinate of point B is x2 comma y2. Okay. Now students, draw a perpendicular from the point A on the x-axis and name that point as L. Okay. So students, what will be the coordinates of L? The coordinates of point L will be x1 comma 0. As students, you can see here the point L is lying on the x-axis, so its y coordinate will be 0. Okay. Now draw a perpendicular from the point P on the x-axis and name that point as point M, and the coordinate of point M will be x comma 0. Okay. Why it is x? Because the M point is lying just below the P point. It lying just below the P point, and the coordinate of point is P. P is what? X comma y. So the coordinate of point M will be x comma 0. Their x coordinate will be same. Okay. Now draw a perpendicular from the point B and name that point as n, and the coordinate of point n will be x2 comma 0, because B n point is lying just below the B point, and so its x coordinate will be same. B point's x coordinate is x2 and n point का x coordinate क्या है आपका x2 है. So इसके x coordinate क्या होंगे? Same होंगे, because they are lying just below it. Okay. Now students, draw a perpendicular from the point A on the line joining the point P and M. Okay. Name that point as point E. Okay. Now again draw a perpendicular from the point P on the line joining the point B N. Okay. So the coordinate, name that point as point C. Okay. So students, here the coordinate of E will be, as you can see here, the E point is lying just below the P point, so their x coordinate will be same. So या इसका x coordinate क्या है आपका? P का x coordinate है x, so E का भी x coordinate क्या होगा? x ही होगा. Similarly E point क्या है? A point के ही सिमिलर सेम लाइन पे लाई कर रहा है A point के, so A का y coordinate क्या है आपका? y1 है, तो E का y coordinate क्या होगा? ये भी y1 ही होगा. So E की coordinate आपका क्या है? x comma y1. अगेन स्टूडेंट्स, सी पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट हम निकालने की कोशिश करेंगे. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि बी पॉइंट का जो बी पॉइंट है और सी पॉइंट है, ये क्या जस्ट एक दूसरे के नीचे ही लाई कर रहे हैं. सो इन दोनों के एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होंगे? सेम होंगे. तो सी का एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होगा? x2, और सी पॉइंट पी पॉइंट के जस्ट पास में लाई कर रहा है, तो पी पॉइंट और सी पॉइंट के वाई कोऑर्डिनेट भी क्या होंगे? सेम होंगे. तो सी पॉइंट का आपका जो वाई कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होगा? y, and x coordinate क्या होगा? x2. Okay. So students, here I am again write down all the coordinates of points A, B, C. Okay. The coordinate of point A is what? x1 comma y1. The coordinate of point P is what? x comma y. The coordinate of point B is x2 comma y2. Okay. The coordinate of point E is x comma y1, and the coordinate of point C is what? x2 comma y. Okay. So students, now I am writing the construction part, that is AL is drawn perpendicular to x axis, that is OX. OX, or name it OX, name it simple, okay. And similarly PM perpendicular is drawn on the x axis OX, okay. Similarly BN परपेंडिकुलर हमने ड्रॉ किया था OX पे, तो हमने इसे वर्ड्स के फॉर्म में एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है, ओके। नाउ सिमिलरली हमने क्या परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ किए थे, हमने परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ किया था AE परपेंडिकुलर ऑन PM. AE is perpendicular on PM, and also PC is perpendicular on BC, BN, okay. So students, these are construction, okay. Now students, what is given? The given is AP upon PB is what? M is to N, okay. Now as you can see here, the triangle APE and triangle PBC are what? Similar triangles, okay. As triangle APE is similar to triangle PBC. So as you can see here, the triangle APA is similar to triangle PBC, okay. So students, what we are getting, we will write here the results of similarity, so that what will we get? We will get the ratio of their corresponding sides will be same. So students, as you can see here, the corresponding side is what? AP upon PB. So I am writing here AP upon PB is equals to what? AE upon PC. AE upon PC is equals to PE upon BC, okay. PE upon BC. स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ हमें क्या मिल रहा है? AP अपॉन PB करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड से, तो इनका रेशो क्या होगा? सेम होगा. सिमिलरली AE अपॉन PC, ओके. सिमिलरली PE अपॉन BC, ऑल आर इक्वल. So all are equal, so their ratio will be what? M is to N. They will be same. So students, now we will try to find out the length of these points, okay. So I'm explaining you this side. So what is the length of AE? As you can see here, the length of AE हम किसके कहाँ किस एक्सिस पे हम डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं? हम एक्स एक्सिस पे ट्रैवल डिस्टेंस कर रहे हैं. सो इसका कॉर्ड AE का लेंथ कितना होगा? x माइनस x1. सो AE इक्वल्स टू x माइनस x1. और AE किसके बराबर है? हमारा L और M के बराबर है, ओके. सो AE इज इक्वल्स टू LM. सिमिलरली we will find out the length of PC. PC is again the distance traveled on x axis, so that the distance between P and C point will be x2 minus x, okay. x2 minus x, as PC point is parallel is equals to MN, okay. So it is equals to MN. Now find out the length of PE. As we want the distance between the PE point, so we will write it as PM minus ME. PM minus ME. PM minus ME, so that we will get here what is the length of PM. PM यदि हम देखें तो ये क्या है आपका क्या है हमारा? ये एक्स डिस्टेंस y एक्सिस पे डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल्ड है. तो इसका डिस्टेंस कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होंगे? y माइनस PM इज व्हाट? PM क्या है हमारा? y है. यहाँ से यदि हम देखें यहाँ पे, तो ये कौन सा पॉइंट है आपका? 0, y है. तो यहाँ पे हमारा PM डिस्टेंस कितना होगा? y होगा. एंड ME वाला कौन सा पॉइंट है हमारा? ये वाला पॉइंट है. ये कौन सा पॉइंट है आपका? 0, y1, ओके. सो ME कितना होगा हमारा? y माइनस y1. So PE equals to what? Y minus Y1. Similarly, try to find the length of PC. PC we have find out already. This is PC. Now try to find out the length of BC. BC. Okay. BC we can find out by subtracting CN from BN. Okay. BN में से हम यदि CN को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? हमें लेंथ ऑफ BC मिल जाएगा. सो आर BN डिस्टेंस हमारा कितना है? ये BN डिस्टेंस यदि हम यहाँ पे y एक्सिस पे देखें तो ये कौन सा पॉइंट है आपका? 0, y2. तो BN डिस्टेंस आपका कितना है? y2. और यदि हम CN डिस्टेंस देखने की कोशिश करें, CN डिस्टेंस आपका कितना है? 0, CN इज 0, y. So it will be y2 minus y. Okay, so it's the length of BC. A is this, PC is this, PE and BC is this. Okay, as students we know that AP upon PB is equals to AE upon PC is equals to PE upon BC is equals to M is to N. Okay, so students write down here the length of AE. What is the length of AE? That is x minus x1. AE is x minus x1 and PC is what? x2 minus x. And what is PE? PE is y minus y1 and BC is what? y2 minus y, and it is equals to M is to N. Okay, now students, all the three are equal. So first we will take the x minus x1 upon x2 minus x is equals to M upon N. As we want the coordinate of point P, that is x comma y, we want the value of x here. So just cross multiply it so that you will get here nx minus nx1 is equals to mx2 minus mx. Okay, I am solving this side. Okay, students, what we are getting here? We are getting here nx minus nx1 and mx2 minus mx. Now this mx goes this side, so we will get here nx plus mx is equals to mx2. Okay, mx2 and this nx1 goes this side, so plus nx1. Okay, this is what? nx plus mx equals to mx2 plus nx1. Here x is common, you will get here m plus n is equals to mx2 plus nx1. Okay, so students, we will get here our x coordinate, that is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. This is our x coordinate, this is the x coordinate of point P. Okay, now similarly we will equate y minus y1, y2 minus y1, y2 minus y is equals to m upon n, so that we will get the value of y. Okay, so students, I am giving you the explanation this way. Our coordinate was y minus y1 and y2 minus y is equals to m upon n. Okay, this is y minus y1 and y2 minus y is equals to m is to n. Again we will cross multiply it. We will get here ny minus ny1 is equals to my2 minus my. Okay, so students, this my goes this side, so we will get ny plus my is equals to my2, and this ny1 goes this side, it will become plus ny1. Here y is common, you will get here m plus n is equals to my2 plus ny1. Here y is equals to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. So students, this is our y coordinate. So the students, the coordinate of point P is what? X comma y. So we can write it as P is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n is equals to comma my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Students, this is the required section formula. Okay, this is the section formula of coordinate geometry chapter. This formula is very important. various questions based on this formula is important for the 10th class CBSE board exams. Okay, so students, just study this formula carefully, and further if you have any doubt regarding any topic, you can comment me on comment box. Okay, so stay connected with us. Thank you very much.